I want you to watch this. This is a video my wife took of me eating breakfast. And with a snap of a finger, bam. Now I'm wearing a $1,300 Gucci button down. Crazy, right? But it's not. See, that is the power of AI. And when you're starting your own clothing brand, standing out online isn't optional. It's the difference between building a brand that takes off and having one that just falls flat on its face. Now, one of the biggest parts is making sure that you have good models, because people aren't just buying a t-shirt or a hoodie or a pair of jeans, they're buying into an identity. They're buying into the lifestyle they believe comes with that clothing. Brands like Ralph Lauren, Essentials, Kith, Lucky Brand, and even Young LA. They all understand this perfectly. They know exactly who their customer is. And in each photo and video they drop, they capture that person's vibe, placing their clothing inside a world that that customer wants to be part of. But when you're just starting out, you don't have the money or the resources to hire professional models, photographers, and so on. And that is where Higgsfield comes in. Higgsfield is an AI-powered creative platform that can help you turn simple product images into professional lifestyle photos, fashion campaigns, and cinematic videos. You can create realistic models and build complete scenes around your clothing. But instead of me just sitting here and talking about it and what it can do, how about I show you? So as soon as you log on to Higgsfield, there is a ton of awesome things that you could do with this. And I will talk about all this later. First, what I want to do is show you how to change out your videos, how to actually, take a shirt and put it on a live video of, say, you or maybe your avatar. And to do that, you can just go right up here underneath video. Now, as you see, you can also change out your images, your audio, you can edit different layers, Cinema Studio, Marketing Studio, so on and so forth. We will cover all that in just a minute. But for this, what I'm gonna do is just click on video, and I'm actually gonna do the 4K CDance 2.0. I did do CDance 2.5 recently, but the account that I'm currently using here, I only had 720p, and I wanna show you that 4K quality. So for this one, I am going to do right here, the 4K. Now, as soon as I click there, as you can see, some of the other ones that I've already created, right? I have this one here of my son. Now, this one was wild, all right? So I took a video of him working out right here, and he was lifting some weights. I actually changed out his shirt to this Gucci one, okay? And that was awesome. So just to play that really quick. Pretty crazy on how smooth that was. Now, the next one, obviously you've seen the Gucci one because I just showed you that. And here, I took his video and I want to see how far I can actually take this. So I took the one of him working out and I changed the entire background, but not only just the background, I changed the weights too. Now, anybody that's ever been to the Tulum Jungle Gym, it's outside and they don't use traditional weights. They actually use a lot of wood weights, okay? So what I did here was I took the video of him and then I took the background right there, as you can see, and I also took a picture of the bar with the wood weights. And I said, I want you to change the weights that my son is lifting in the video to the bar that is shown in the first image and change the background to the second image. Do not make any changes to him or his outfit. Preserve his appearance, right? Now, obviously I messed up the first and second image, but Higgsfield still was able to understand exactly what I was saying and put the correct stuff in there. So I'm gonna play this and show this on full screen to show you how amazing this came out. That is wild, right? I mean, mind blowing. So let me show you how to do this in real time. So the first thing you're gonna do right here is just add a picture and video. So for this one, I'm actually going to add, let's do this video. This is me walking through the Bell Harbor shop in Miami. And I'm just walking through there, just went to David Yurman, picked myself up another bracelet. And I think it's an amazing video. So I'm just gonna add that. And I'm going to change it to an All Saints shirt. So I'm gonna change my entire shirt to that. So say if you have your brand shirt and you're trying to showcase it in some sort of way, this is how you would do it. I'm gonna click on there. And all I'm gonna do is type in, I want you to replace my shirt with the reference photo attached. That's it. Then from there, you're gonna choose what you want, how many seconds, 8 seconds. You can go longer if you want, shorter if you want, whatever. Here, you can choose the different size ratio. So I'm going to do 9:16 because it would be on social media. And then from there, I could choose 4K, 1080p, 720p, or so on. Now, if I was going to do 720p, I'd probably do the new Cdance 2.5. That's what my account is currently on. But for this, because I have the 2.0 and it allows me 4K, of course, I'm going to choose the 4K. So with that being said, just click generate and here we go. And there we have it within about 2 minutes. So here's the video. So I'm going to play it. I'm going to put it beside me. I muted it so it doesn't go crazy here because there was some sounds, obviously. So click here. I mean, look at that. You can see the shirt wrinkling and everything. That is just amazing. The amount of detail on how I was able to replace that shirt, but not even just replace that shirt. As I'm walking, you can see the crinkling of the shirt, like how it's moving with my body in real time. This is just amazing. And this is how you would transform your entire clothing brand instantly. Now, just going into some of the other features here that Higgsfield has, obviously we could change up the entire images, right? So we can take all your images here and just start creating different ones. You have create image, Soul ID, canvases, photo dumps, AI influencer, all these different things right here. You have Cdance 5.0, you have Nano Banana, Recraft, they have everything. But for this, obviously, we're taking care of videos, right? Because videos, I mean, people love them, especially on Instagram. So just going over to the videos to talk a little bit about what they offer here, you can see that you have all these different options over here, and then you have all the LLMs over here. So you have your Cdance, you have Gemini, Kling, Minimix, Sora, Google VO, and even Grok. Now you also have your Cinema Studio, you have your edit layers, and edit layers is actually pretty wild. So what you could do is you could turn a flat image into editable layers. So one flat image will make all them individual so that you could change whatever you want in here. Now in this one right here, Cinema Studio, this is where you're gonna bring your stories to life. This is where you would actually create an entire movie. That's not necessary right now when you're doing social media for your clothing brand, but when you do an ad campaign or anything like that, where you wanna go really in depth for maybe a minute or two, this is the option that you would use. Now, Marketing Studio, this is crazy. Marketing Studio allows you to actually turn an avatar into a person that's going to sell that product for you. You can even take your product itself and turn them into videos. So just to show you really quick, let me go to the Explore tab and scroll down to some of the ones that people have done before. Scrolling down here, as you can see right there, you can see people like this avatar, it's not even a real person, holding a tumbler, right? This one right here with a shirt, this one changing their outfit. How about the shoes? I mean, the amount of detail and stuff that you have here right there, even showing off bracelets. It's just crazy on how you're able to do this now, and it's only getting better by the day. That's why I keep saying to everybody, if you haven't done AI and you're not part of the AI world yet, you need to start adapting, especially if you're selling online. If you're not taking advantage of the AI right now, then you're missing out on that huge opportunity to be able to blow up your brand overnight by using this. Now, just to show you how easy this is, scroll up here and I'm just gonna click start generating. As soon as I do that, you have two options right here. You have avatar and your product, okay? As soon as I choose avatar, you have all these preloaded avatars in there, right there, as you can see. Now, you can also create your own avatar. Clicking on here, you can generate one by using prompts, or you can actually upload a video or a picture of yourself, which is pretty freaking gangster. Now, going over here, after you choose one, be like, oh, you know, I like her. Then you choose a product. Now, this is the great part, because say if you didn't have a picture of your product or you're using POD and you have, you know, kind of a mock-up from them, you can actually just put the URL in here, or you can create it manually. So I'm going to click create manually, and I'm just going to add this shirt right here, which is a random meme shirt. Once it checks it, it's going to make sure that the content's good. It verified it, and I'm going to say people suck. Description, people are not cool. Okay, now create product. Here we go, done, choose that. Now I have the person and the product, describe the scene. I want to replace the shirt on the avatar with the shirt attached. Just that simple. Now, from there, just click generate, and it's gonna start processing it. Once it verifies everything, it starts generating this. And like I said earlier, it usually takes about 2 minutes. Sometimes it could take longer, especially if you have a lot of detailed prompts in there. And there you have it. Now, this is one thing you would think, okay, seeing this video, she's just an avatar just showing off the product. Wait, I'm gonna play it so you can see it and see the audio that they actually captured with this.
Okay, I found the perfect mood shirt. People, 1 star, total nightmare, would not recommend. It's basically people suck in a tee. Comfy, bold print. If you're sarcastic like me, grab it.
Crazy, right? I mean, I am just blown away with the quality of it, but also it already knew because it scanned that entire shirt so it knew exactly what the shirt was. I didn't have to give it much detail at all. It sells it right there. Now, like I said earlier, you can create your own avatar so you don't have to have the one that's on here, but this is for the people that don't want to actually have themselves in pictures or videos. Go right over to the images, like I showed you earlier, create an image, create that new avatar, drop it in there, drop your product, and you're good to go within just a couple minutes with Higgsfield. Now, if anybody's curious on how to get detailed prompts to have real lifelike style avatars, then drop me a comment below, AI model, and I'll send you a free PDF with all the prompts needed. And if you have any questions or want me to do another video with showing a little bit more detail of something else, then also drop me a comment for that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.